Hello, everybody. Welcome to Sokora tutorials. In today's video, I will discuss about the how we can extract climate, uh, like it could be rainfall or temperature data set for specific sites or locations. So first of all, we have to clear what is working us behind of our script, and then we set the directory which we are working, and then we load necessary libraries. For this particular exercise, we need raster package, SF package to read shape files, tidyverse package to summarize our data, and to do like to to link one command with other using the type function in this particular function. Library date is to convert dates from one unit to another, for example, from month to year or so on and so forth, and GG package and geospatial package for visualization particularly. So in today's video, we will see how we can extract like the data for particular location from netcdf file. A netcdf file is like usually it has extension at the end of the file nc.nc. So this particular data is downloaded from Terra Climate dataset for a long period of time from 1990 to 2020. But this data is monthly data set, and we read this data set into our environment using a break function, and this is the variable we're going to assign for this particular variable thing. So we read this data here. So I think here the place we are is not right in. Then we read this data set, and we can see what is inside this data set by using just either print or only using like this and interclick. So we can see like the data is dated from this to this, and the geographical coverage of this particular data set also here. We can see only using this one a little bit up, and like there are 372 layers because it's monthly data set. Like the mains is from 1990 January to 2020 December, and so this is what is inside the particular file. Then after we read our sites, actually name of sites and the latitude and longitude of the sites. This can be either collected from using a Google Earth or using a GPS. Normally we can collect the sites, the point of the sites. Then after doing that, we're going to read this particular file, which is located in the same directory. And we read this particular file into our environment. Then we see what is in the file using the view. There are sites, a number of sites, 6 sites, and the actually latitude and longitude of these sites in this particular file. Then we need to convert this file into the shape, coordinates, read into the sites, into the coordinate, and give the latitude and longitude of that particular coordinate. And then we extract data for that particular point, that is site in our case, from the file that we read, that is netcdf file in our case, or the raster now, because we use a raster package and we read as a raster this netcdf file. Then simply we need to read this file, extract. Has got a problem. I don't know why. I keep looking because okay, I have to go back a little bit and have to see here perhaps. Okay, then still I'm getting problem back and forth. Extract. Perhaps I have to give here a raster. Okay, then I have to give here 2 dots. Then it works. Perhaps, yeah, that is how it works. Then I have to combine these sites and values now, because I extracted value and then I have to combine with my sites data normally. This is extracted value for that exact points, and I must combine the latitude and longitude and site name and value together here. So after doing that, I have to write this particular file as a table or as CSV into my folder. In this case, my current directory. Then I need to write this to the current directory. After doing that, you need to do some post-processing activities. And after doing that, I changed the name of this particular file into extract value. And then I changed this particular file into it was monthly file. And then I changed it into yearly file using this. So the simple thing is I mutate months, I created months, months, a series of months from the start of my file to the end of my file as months. And then if I have once months, I easily convert this into year. And then after doing that, I need to change this file from the wide format to the long format for easy to the process, and then group by year and location. For each location, each year, then I need to summarize some of this value. Value is like each monthly value, and then I sum monthly value into the yearly value in this case. Then I run this particular command. Once I got that, I need to visualize this particular file using ggplot. Once we read data, this particular data here, and connect using pipe operator, then after we need to call ggplot and then aesthetic, what should be displayed on x-axis and y-axis. In my case, x-axis should be year and y-axis should be the sum of the rainfall in this case, and group by location and fill a location. Then after I need to put separately by each location, and I use a face wrap command. And for that, I need to this tilted arrow and location and the scale should be for each of the locations, because some locations does have like very low values and others have high value. I don't need to put the same scale for all, but I prefer to put a independent scale for each plot. Then I run this. Once I run this, I need to have plot for each location over here. Yeah, this is the plot over here. This is like here, it is year. Actually, to change this, I will show you next time how we can change this YR into year and the X lab of the X axis and lab of the Y axis normally. So year is here. Now the amount of the total amount of rainfall is here, and this is the yearly or annual rainfall per site that we prefer to have. So thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel if you find this tutorial is helpful, and like and share the video. Thank you very much.